Hi, this is Gina at Art of Skincare, and I want to show you how to properly use a corrective toner to get the most benefit. So there are many different kinds of toners on the market out there, and it can be kind of confusing. So when I talk about a corrective toner or a treatment toner, I'm talking about a toner that actually has some exfoliant in it, maybe it has some acids in it or some brighteners in it, and it has a specific treatment purpose. Those kind of toners are often used for treating hyperpigmentation. They can be used for treating oiliness in the skin. They can be used for firming or stimulating collagen. They can also have acidic ingredients like mandelic acid, which actually helps to clear the skin if you have blemishes. Now, the other kind of toners that you see out there that are also excellent are more pH balancing toners, and they're usually more of a hydrating toner. And those are toners that I usually refer to them as more of a mist. That mist kind of toner is more for nourishing the skin. So that's going to be more of a nourishing treatment for the skin. Today, what I want to talk to you about and show you are the corrective toners and how to use those and get the most value out of them, because they tend to be a little more expensive because they have more advanced ingredients in them and you don't want to waste that product. So today I'm going to talk about 3 different treatment toners that I really love. So let me show those to you right off the bat here. First of all, one of my very favorites is Brightening Pigment Lotion. This is from Rhonda Ellison. Rhonda Ellison to me is kind of the creme de la creme of treatment toners. She does an amazing job with her corrective toners. And so I've chosen 3 today to show you. They're the ones that I use most often with my clients. The first one I'm going to show you is the Brightening Pigment Lotion. Brightening Pigment Lotion has Bellis perennis in it, and that is an ingredient that's just fantastic for brightening the skin. It's stronger than hydroquinone without the side effects of the hydroquinone. So there's Brightening Pigment Lotion. Today I also pulled out the Antioxidant Defense Tonic. This is a Mandelic tonic with glutathione in it. When you use this tonic, it is excellent for stimulating collagen and firming the skin as well as brightening the skin. So this is a fabulous anti-aging toner. It also can help a bit if you are one of those people in your later years, some of us I shouldn't even say later years, because there's some of us in our 30s, 40s, 50s, we don't think we should be breaking out anymore, but we still get that hormonal blemish or the occasional breakout. This Antioxidant Defend Tonic will also take care of that for you. Now, my other favorite tonic from Rhonda Ellison is the Mandelic Purifying Tonic. Now, Mandelic Purifying Tonic is for those acne-prone individuals. If you are prone to getting blemishes, on the forehead, the hairline around this jaw area, this is particularly good for you because mandelic acid really addresses the kind of acne or blemishes that you get in the follicular area, that kind of follicular acne. So fabulous toner, but these great toners, they're not cheap, and I want you to get the most value for your money. So if you get one of these toners and you go home and you put it on a cotton ball or a cotton round, the cotton in that is just going to absorb up all of your toner, and not that much of it's going to go on your face. You're going to waste a lot of product in that cotton ball or toner pad. So what we sell, when I've been selling these at Art of Skincare for 13 years because they're so important, we have the Medicom Safe Gauze. These are 2-inch woven gauze pads. I like to use 2 of them when I am doing my toner. These have a little bit of a texture to them. Now, if you go to the drugstore and you buy yourself some gauze pads, you're likely to get those really, really rough, loose woven gauze pads. That's not what I want you to use. Those are awful. This is kind of a softer pad. It has a nice weave in it. And what you're going to do is saturate both pads. I'm usually 2 to 3 pumps on each of my toner pads. And then once you have your toner pads wetted, I want to show you how to actually use it on the skin, because especially my younger clients, so many of them are just like this, and then they're done. That is not the way you want to use these treatment toners. You want to take your time and you really want to work that toner into the skin so that it can do its job. And I treat my lips, the nose area, really massage it in well, the forehead. I'm not using rough pressure, but I'm using a light but firm pressure to really press my treatment toner into my skin. I'm going to come down and treat my neck. And guess what? Loss of firmness, hyperpigmentation, a lot of those things don't just happen to our face. They also happen to the neck. So I'm coming in behind the ears and using my toner in those areas. And I'm even going behind my neck because, we have loss of firmness on the front. We also lose firmness on the back of the neck. And I also get dark pigmentation on the back of my neck. So I want to get that toner in all of those areas. So once you've done a really nice massage all over with your toner, now your skin is perfectly set for the next step. That's when you can put on your serums and then you can put on your moisturizer. Now, another way that you can really boost your treatment toners is with the My Skin Buddy. Not many people know this. You may already have a My Skin Buddy at home and you wonder, what is this part that came in the box? I actually didn't know at first either, but when I discovered it, I was so excited, and I want to show you what to do with that little tool. So I'm grabbing one of my 2-inch gauze toner pads. I'm putting on 2, I like 3 pumps. You only need 2, but I always do an extra pump of everything. I waste, so you don't have to do that many. Take my Skin Buddy, lay my pad on the top, then grab the cover. That's what it is, this little cover, and that holds my toner pad on. Now you just push one time. You want to use the cleansing mode. So when you push your My Skin Buddy one time, that puts it in the cleansing mode. And now I'm using those ultrasonic vibrations along with the nice texture of my toner pad to really get in there and penetrate these active ingredients into the skin, the pores, get some good exfoliation going. I love it. This is my favorite tool for cleansing and toning and driving those serums into the skin. So that's it for today. Those are my tips for getting the most out of your wonderful treatment toners. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day.